We back, man. It's your boy Spook Pena, Spook Mapena, Cleo Pass, Cleo, whatever, whoever.
Yeah.
I'm that guy. Really happy. T's and C's, we here. We in the building. Let's get into it, man.
I thought I'm the only one chilling. It looks like the country is broke.
Hey, Joe.
It is so that
Hey, Joe.
Guys, there's no need to stress about land about child.
Yeah.
What's delaying the budget speech?
Ne?
Sometimes I lose interest in these things because of such. What's
Hey,
delaying the budget speech?
I don't know. I wonder. Now I wonder. Wait, see, the thing that came to mind, our budget speech delayed.
Yeah.
You know, what if the repercussions are US aid? That was the first what if that came to my mind. What if?
Yeah.
I wonder. It's a very interesting time we're having. And it's the first time in what, it's 20 something years in South Africa's freedom, the new South Africa, that something like this has ever happened.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
I think it's a sign. Good sign, guys.
Yeah, but
Yes,
is there
I-
anything you understand about it? Do you know anything? I'm lost. I just couldn't understand. Was there anything maybe mentioned as to why is it delayed? Or they just like we normally do in South Africa?
No, wait,
Just keep quiet.
the way you find delay out to get this thing. Ne?
Yeah.
So I was on my way